Did you ever wonder how to remove duplicates in Excel the easy way? Fine, we too. So this is the reason for today's video. So let's go. We have created a little example sheet here with some duplicate values in the cells. For a better understanding, we copied the table to edit to the right site, so you can better understand at the end what was happening during the process. In the following, we show you two methods, depending if you want to remove only duplicate cells within a column or if you want to remove a whole row within a table. So let's begin with method 1, removing only duplicates within a column. The best and easiest way is to simply select the whole column you want to remove the duplicates. Do this by clicking in the top bar of the column so the whole column is selected. Then go to the Index tab Data, and on the section Data Tools, there is an option called Remove Duplicates. After clicking that, a window pops up where you can choose if your data has a header. This matters, for example, if you have also a duplicate in the header but don't want to remove them. So we select My Data as headers here. After clicking OK, you got a message that XYZ duplicates were removed, and voila, the results are as expected. So we do a quick reset and show you the second method. Click anywhere in your data table you want to work on, or select every cell manually by click and hold the cells until you've selected it all. Then again, go to Index tab Data and then Remove Duplicates. Here you can select all the columns you want to include in your operation. Either select all or do so manually by hitting the check mark. We go again with the option My Data has headers here and click Submit. After that, the magic happens again. You get the success message that XYZ duplicates were removed. As you can see, this option removed the complete rows with duplicate values in it. Was this easy or what? Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more helpful content in the future. Thanks for watching.